Ha ha ha! Wake up, Bruce! I am the spirit of Christmas present. Gaze upon me. You've never seen the likes of me before, have you? Ha ha ha!
Never. I wish the pleasure had been indefinitely postponed. What do you want? Can't you see I'm busy here? I'm trying to crack open this ball of chocolate. I don't know, maybe it's last year's chocolate. It doesn't seem to want to crack. Leave me alone.
Why are you so grumpy, Bruce? It's Christmas!
I'm not grumpy. I'm just tired. Work is so demanding at the bar. Everybody just wants a little bit of piece of Bruce, yeah. You know what I wish? I wish it was like January 1st and it was all over. Just snap your fingers, it's January 1st. Maybe you can help me with that. Oh, no, you can't, can you? That's Christmas future, January 1st. I just want to get this ball of chocolate open, okay? Maybe you give me a hand.
You wish! Is your heart still so unmoved towards working bar night after night?
Well, yeah, I'm too old. I'm beyond hope. Maybe you should go redeem some younger, more promising bartender.
Oh, shut up, Bruce. Now close your eyes and think of rainbows and moonbeams, cocktail pins and swizzle sticks, tiki drinks with umbrellas, happier days sipping on martinis and Manhattans, all the pleasures you could imagine. I'm getting thirsty. Make me something sweet and creamy, Bruce.
Sure. But first, I need to take a little something from you.
Oh, if you must.
Yeah. Let's make a cocktail. Recently, in the present that is, a viewer by the name of Zell wrote in, "Hey Bruce and all-important crew, I have a recipe of my own design that would be perfect for the month of December and specifically Christmas. It's based on the chocolate oranges you see around the holidays that practically require a hammer." Yeah, they do. I would be elated to see it on the show. Calls it the Chocolate Orange Smasher. Let's make one. Yeah. That's my fireplace. Turn that down a bit, eh? Medium heat. So we're gonna make a chocolate syrup first. I picked up some coconut sugar. Thought I'd try that. And I've got a cup here. And we're just gonna put it in our pot, along with, this is organic too, and this is organic, chocolate cacao. 1 cup. Oh yeah, it's gonna be so good. And we're just gonna whisk this together, blend it all in there, get it all mixed up. And to this, I've got a cup of water. Just stir it up here. And a 1/4 teaspoon of some nice sea salt. In you go. It's gonna take a little bit to blend all that chocolate in there, melt everything down. Who doesn't like chocolate? It's so easy to make, you know, you probably never buy chocolate syrup again. Why would you? Want to get this to an easy boil. Just keep stirring, you don't want to be burning it. Alrighty, there we go. We got a boil going on now. And we just want to kind of boil this, gentle boil, for about 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Just keep an eye on it, keep stirring. Oh yeah, that's nice and thick. And you know, it's gonna thicken up even more once it cools down. So what we wanna do now is just add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Oh yeah, I love vanilla so much, you know. It's beautiful. Ah, smells delish. What you want to do too is, I wonder how hot is. You want to test it out. Just to see if it might need a little bit more salt. And I think it does, personally. So in total, I've added another 1/8 of a teaspoon, plus the 1/4 teaspoon we started with. Now again, you got to be real patient, let this cool down. But first, I think while it's still hot, I'd like to bottle it because it'll be easier to pour and work with. Oh yeah, look at this gold. That's beautiful. Okay, we're gonna let that funnel and cool to room temp. And when we come back, we're gonna make Zell's chocolate orange smasher. It's gonna taste good. First thing we're gonna add is a little Christmas present. I've got 1.5 ounces dark rum. Then followed by COINTREAU, 1/2 ounce. Now you can use any triple sec you like. I like COINTREAU, okay? All right, next we've got some orange juice, fresh orange juice. We want 1 ounce. That looks about right. Followed by 1 ounce of 1/2 and 1/2. As Zell put it, if you want to be naughty, go for the heavy cream. 1 ounce, all right. And our all-important chocolate syrup. Look at this baby. Oh yeah, it's cooled down now and it's just pouring delightfully. 1 ounce. Yeah. Pop in some ice. Pop a lid on and shake it Christmassy. Bah, humbug. No, I'm kidding you. I'm kidding you. Give it a good shake. Oh yeah. I can smell the rum. I can smell the rum and chocolate just from the shake. Awesome. Okay, we've got a chilled, wacky kind of cocktail glass there. Chilling with some ice water. And we're gonna get rid of that. And just strain it out. Oh look, chocolate, chocolate. Don't you love it? It looks delightful. Beautiful. Now, garnish with some whipped cream. Now, I should be making my own, but I'm too tired. It's 2 a.m. because of this guy. We're gonna put some canned whipped cream. It is real whipped cream. We're just gonna put some in the top of here. Yeah, floater on top, just like that. And we're gonna grate some fresh orange over top of that whipped cream. Oh yeah. That's looking mighty fine. Sweet. Let's give this a go. Wow, wow. If this doesn't redeem me, I don't know what will. It's delightful. The rum is really kicking through there. The orange, it's chocolate and orange. How could you go wrong? And if you like your chocolate orange, you gotta make Zell's chocolate orange smasher. It's creamy, it's orangey, it's really, really good. Good work, Zell. I mean, if you have a couple of these, you'll probably be getting to bed real early and hopes Christmas present doesn't wake you up. Cheers. Spirit, are these the shadows of things that will be, or the shadows of things that may be only? Partial funding for BarTalk&Cocktails is provided by Patreon. For just a few dollars a month, you get access to lots of extra stuff. Behind the scenes videos, podcasts, newsletters, some of my own personally created cocktails, and much, much more. Become one of my patrons today and help keep us going. Thanks in advance. Cheers. Okay. Ooh. Do you know how long it's been since I've had one of these? It's a delightful drink, Zell. For everyone else, hit the subscribe button, check some other Christmas videos out, and make Zell's cocktail. The chocolate orange smasher. Oh, the future. I hate the future.